Are you looking for the best digital DSLR cameras in 2025 to step up your photography or video game? Whether you're just starting or ready for something more advanced, we've got the top 5 picks for every kind of creator. If you're new to the channel, be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you never miss out. All product links are in the description. Let's jump in with number 5. Number 5, Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR camera with EF18 55mm lens bundle. If you're new to photography and want something simple, reliable, and ready to use right out of the box, the Canon EOS Rebel T7 is a solid choice to start with. This beginner-friendly DSLR comes bundled with an EFS 18 55mm lens, providing you with the flexibility to capture everything from family portraits to scenic landscapes. The camera features a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor and Canon's DIGIC 4 Plus image processor, working together to deliver sharp, detailed images with vibrant colors even in less than perfect lighting. You'll also appreciate the built-in Wi-Fi and NFC, which make it easy to transfer photos to your smartphone or tablet without the need for cables. There's an optical viewfinder for traditional composing, plus a 3-inch LCD screen for quick playback. With full HD 1080p video recording, you can capture high-quality clips for social media or personal projects. The 9-point autofocus system may not be the fastest in the game, but it's responsive enough for everyday photography. This camera isn't meant for professionals. It's designed for beginners who want a straightforward, no-hassle way to get into DSLR photography. If you're just starting your content journey or need a budget-friendly camera for casual use, the Rebel T7 is a bright and easy choice. Number 4, Canon EOS Rebel SL3 DSLR camera with EFS 18 55mm lens kit. The Canon EOS Rebel SL3 is also known as the lightest and smallest DSLR in Canon's lineup. Don't let the compact size fool you. This little powerhouse is perfect for content creators who want both portability and solid performance. Inside, you'll find a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor paired with Canon's DIGIC 8 image processor, delivering clean, detailed images with impressive color reproduction. One of the SL3's standout features is its 4K video recording, a massive upgrade for vloggers and aspiring YouTubers. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with eye detection AF makes it super easy to track your subject's face whether you're snapping photos or recording video. It also features a Vari-angle 3-inch touchscreen, which flips out and rotates, perfect for selfies, low-angle shots, or handheld filming. Additionally, it features Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making file transfers to your phone effortless. And if you're new to DSLR settings, the camera's guided user interface walks you through shooting modes and settings without overwhelming you. This camera is ideal for students, travelers, or creators who want DSLR quality without the bulk. It may be compact, but it's packed with features that punch well above its weight. If you're looking for a camera that's versatile, beginner-friendly, and suitable for both photos and videos, the Rebel SL3 is worth considering. Number 3, Canon EOS 90D DSLR camera with built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, DIGIC 8 image processor. Taking the third spot is the Canon EOS 90D, a powerful DSLR that offers high-speed performance and excellent image quality in one package, making it perfect for creators. Whether you shoot wildlife, sports, or YouTube videos, this camera has the tools to keep up with your creativity. It features a 32.5 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, one of the highest resolution sensors in this category. Paired with the DIGIC 8 image processor, you get sharp, detailed images and fast shooting performance, even in challenging lighting. The 90D can shoot up to 10 frames per second, making it an excellent choice for action shots. It also supports uncropped 4K video recording, allowing you to utilize your lens's full focal length. For videographers, that's a huge win. Its dual-pixel CMOS autofocus with eye detection AF is responsive and accurate, especially during live view or video shooting. The Vari-angle LCD touchscreen makes it easy to capture creative angles, and the intuitive controls give you more manual flexibility as you grow. Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity enable you to share files quickly or control the camera remotely using Canon's app. Whether you're photographing fast-moving subjects or filming high-quality content, the Canon 90D brings a nice blend of speed, resolution, and versatility. This is a camera made for creators who want more control and room to grow. Number 2, Canon EOS 6D Mark II digital SLR camera body, Wi-Fi enabled. If you're ready to dive into full-frame photography, the Canon EOS 6D Mark II is a fantastic step up. Sitting at number 2 on our list, this DSLR is designed to deliver pro-level image quality in a familiar, user-friendly package. It's equipped with a 26.2 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and Canon's DIGIC 7 processor, producing beautiful images with great depth, clarity, and low-light performance. This makes it ideal for a wide range of applications, from portraits to landscapes to weddings. The dual-pixel CMOS autofocus system offers smooth and accurate autofocus, especially in live view and video modes. The 3-inch Vari-angle LCD touchscreen provides complete flexibility to compose your shots from any angle, a significant advantage for vlogging or creating creative still images. While it doesn't offer 4K video, it does shoot Full HD 1080p 60p, which still provides excellent quality for most video needs. You also get 5-axis digital image stabilization, helping reduce shake during handheld filming. Connectivity features like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and GPS add convenience for transferring files and geotagging your travel photos. The 6D Mark II also features a 45-point all-cross-type AF system, providing improved subject tracking during burst shooting. Overall, this camera blends full-frame power with ease of use. If you're looking for professional features without investing in a bulky rig, this one strikes a nice sweet spot between performance and price. Number 1. Nikon D850 FX Format Digital SLR Camera Body. Claiming the number 1 spot for the best digital DSLR camera in 2025, we've got the legendary Nikon D850. This camera is designed for professionals and advanced enthusiasts seeking the ultimate in image quality, performance, and versatility. The D850 features a massive 45.7 megapixel full-frame BSI CMOS sensor, delivering ultra-sharp detail, incredible dynamic range, and stunning clarity even in low-light conditions. Whether you're shooting landscapes, fashion, or commercial work, this sensor sets the standard. It's powered by Nikon's EXPEED 5 image processor, which supports 7 FPS continuous shooting or up to 9 FPS with an optional battery grip. That's fast enough for sports, wildlife, or any fast-paced action. Video shooters will appreciate the 4K UHD recording, which utilizes the full sensor width for stunning cinematic results. You also get features like focus peaking and zebra stripes, tools usually found on higher-end video systems. The 850 includes a tilting touchscreen LCD, dual memory card slots, and a rugged, weather-sealed body that's ready for any environment. You also get silent shooting mode, perfect for weddings or nature photography. Simply put, the D850 is an absolute powerhouse. It's not for beginners, but if you're serious about your craft and want one of the best DSLRs ever made, this is it. Quick recap. Which one is right for you? Let's break it down one last time. New to photography and want something affordable and easy? The Canon Rebel T7 gives you a great start without breaking the bank. Looking for a lightweight, travel-ready DSLR with 4K capabilities? The Canon Rebel SL3 packs a lot of power into a compact frame. Want high-speed autofocus and high-resolution stills? The Canon EOS 90D delivers speed, detail, and uncropped 4K video. Ready to go full frame? The Canon 6D Mark II offers pro-level depth and image quality with built-in GPS. Looking for the best of the best? The Nikon D850 is a true workhorse for serious photographers and videographers. And that wraps up our list of the 5 best digital DSLR cameras of 2025. Drop a comment and tell us your favorite. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss future gear reviews. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.